India, I have some weekly market review from Token Insights. Going to be checking out this article. Table of content: we have high volatility that cannot hide. December central bank, super weak. It's approaching increasing uncertainty. So after a sharp drop on December 4th, BTC prices remain basically unchanged at low level, while ETH fell more than 3% from last week. The calm in the market is limited to price from the perspective of volatility. The volatility of the crypto market continues to rise. Major capital markets such as Australia and Canada were ready last week for the Federal Reserve to speed up debt reduction and raise interest rates ahead of schedule. So after the Federal Reserve's resolution next Thursday, central banks such as Britain, Europe, Switzerland, and Japan will also announce their December interest rate resolutions one after another. So with liquidity contraction seemingly a foregone conclusion, the crypto market may continue to face high fluctuations, and the repricing for the medium and low-term performance of crypto seems to have quietly begun. So high volatility that cannot hide. See, last week the crypto market experienced a rare calm. Mainstream crypto prices have not changed much, as the FOMC meeting of the Federal Reserve has not yet arrived. The attitudes from the central banks of Australia, Canada, and other countries, as well as trends within the crypto market, have become the few foci of investors concerned. So, judging from several countries that announced interest rate resolutions and related economic policies last week, although the inflation problem is still serious, officials do not want to excessively stimulate the economy, so they have not considered raising interest rates. So in addition, the Federal Reserve's attitude has received some support from economic data. The number of jobless claims in US hit a new low since 1969 at the beginning of the week, indicating that economic recovery has achieved remarkable results. So for investors in crypto, Fed's attitude means that the upper limit of asset pricing may be further lowered. Worries about the downward performance of cryptos, worries about the early interest rate hike by the Federal Reserve, and new uncertainties brought about by the outbreak of new Omicron epidemic have caused the short-term bearish sentiment to continue. So guys, these are just the basic updates here from CMC. December CBN central bank super week is approaching increasing uncertainty. So Citibank said it expected the Bank of England's Monetary Policy Committee to keep interest rates unchanged in its December 16th interest rate resolution, for the spread of Omicron epidemic has become a key uncertainty. However, the tightening of the labor market and some signs of stronger demand mean that the Monetary Policy Committee is still likely to signal to tightening policy in early 2022. So with the coming of Central Bank Super Week in December, the different attitudes and behaviors of central banks in interest rates and economic policies have undoubtedly increased the uncertainty in the crypto market. For risk speculators, long volatility may be a good choice. However, the most ordinary holders, it may be better to take certain hedging measures in a highly volatile environment and wait until December 16th before doing anything. Enough is as good as a feast. So guys, that's all we have on CMC today. Feel free to like, share, subscribe to your back keys. Stay safe and peace out.